Cameron. This is...
That's new shit. And there's Peanut.
Cherokee. I'm going to call you the roommate. It's who I hang out with. This is Rachel. This is Cherokee. Hi, how you doing? I'm so pretty. Thank you.
Takes one to know one, Rachel.
That's how much I weigh. Get my camera. I can get some.
She just said she's not fat. Did she just say she's not fat?
Look at your nose.
What? What were you saying? What?
He's like, I got tits. I said, which one's what?
I didn't say I got... Go fix your left tit.
What's that?
Rachel, like...
Rachel, do you have your vagina up your ass?
Yes, she does. You want to dig it out for her?
That's what